Deus Adriel Ramos, Tris Louis Duquila, and the Flower Girls, Natasha Miguel, and Kira Elinil Tamani. Ladies and gentlemen, our first princess, Adriana Kate A. Liban. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Georgie R. Liban. She is 5 years old. Her birthday is on August 28, 2018. She is incoming grade 1 at Victoria Elementary School. Her ambition in life is to become a flight attendant someday. Her motto in life is, poverty is not a hindrance to success. She is under the sponsorship of our SK officials. Once again, Her Royal Highness, our first princess, Adriana Kate A. Liban, together with her escort, 1A Liban. Muli, ang ating first princess, Adriana Kate Liban. Let's give her a round of applause.